quiz competition. Later on, maybe when Mr. A.R. sir will join the set. Okay, so without further ado, we shall begin the competition. But before that, I would like to call one member of each house to collect the sheet so that we could place them accordingly to the table. So I request one member from each house to come over here to collect the sheet. So yes. Okay, so table number 4 is Yellow House. Please, Yellow House, you have call your other group members and take the seat of table number 4. So in the table number 4, we have Yellow House. Table number 2, we have Red House. You can take the members and take the seat. Table number 1, we have Blue House.
Table number 1 चाहिँ
Of course, table number 3, we have Green House. So, now I'd like to read out the rules for the competition. So, it would be clear. We can add one more chair over there if the students are feeling congested. So, anyone please. In every round, so that there is no confusion for you all. But still, I would read out all the necessary rules and regulations. So please listen carefully, okay? So the rules and regulation of the competition. Firstly, there should be 4 participants from each house. Participants can be from any classes. Language used for the competition will be English. There will be 3 rounds. Number 1 would be round number 1, general round. Round 2 will be buzzer round, and round 3 will be rapid fire round. So round 1, general round, I am reading the rules for the general round. Each team will be asked 5 questions of 10 marks. If the allotted time team is unable to answer the question, then the question will be passed on to the remaining teams. Okay, so remaining team will be given 15 seconds to answer and will be awarded 5 marks for each correct answer. So this was for the general round. Then comes your buzzer round, that's the round number 2. There will be 10 questions in this round. Team raising their hand first will be given the chance to answer. 10 marks will be awarded for each correct answers and 5 marks will be deducted. So you have to be very careful answering this because you have this negative marks in here. So 5 marks will be deducted for each round. Will be rapid fire round. Each team will be asked to nominate a member each from their team. Nominated member will be given 60 seconds, that is 1 minute. Okay, for 10 questions in this round will be awarded for each correct answer. Okay, so these are the rules. For the buzzer round, I would like to request our coordinators to be kindly attentive and be observant, so in order to avoid confusion. Some of the times it might. So I would like to hand over this microphone to Miss Pramila Chetri. She would be taking this quiz competition. Over to Miss Pramila Chetri.
Thank you, Miss Selina. Okay. Good morning, all. Respected principal sir, all the staff members, participants, and all the students. As we all know that today we all have gathered here for inter-house quiz competitions, and the quiz consists of 3 rounds, which Miss has already announced. Okay. As Miss Alina has already read out the rules, I hope everyone has understood the rules. Even though, before starting each round, I shall read over the rules once again. Okay? So before starting this competition, I would like to inform you all that there are 4 sets of questions in general and rapid fire round. Okay? And pick the sheet. So according to the cheat, so Blue House has picked set A. Okay. So from set A, they will be asked the questions. Green house has picked set B. Yellow house has picked set C. And red house has picked set D. So I think you have understood. Okay. So according to the set, the question will be asked from this side. Okay. So let's start this competition. First questions for blue house is, who became the first Indian male wrestler to qualify for the 2024 Paris Olympics? Who became the first Indian male wrestler to qualify for the 2024 Paris Olympics? Indian wrestler. Your voice is not audible, right? What? Okay, wrong answer. Answer. Okay, so the right answer is Aman Serawat. Who was the first president of the Indian National Congress? Pass to greenhouse. Who was the first president of the Indian National Congress? You can try. Pass to yellow house. Okay, wrong answer. Okay, the right answer is W.C. Banerjee. Just third questions for blue house. Full form of RBC. Okay, right answer. Next question to blue house. Who is the current district collector of Soreng district? So the right answer is Srimati Ishe T. Yonda. So the final question for blue house. Which crop is known as the golden fiber of India? Okay, right answer. So that is red house. So red house has set number D. So the first question for red house or table number 2 is, which Sikkimese football player was awarded the Golden Globe Award at the recently concluded ISL 2023-2024? Red house. Wrong answer. House. Right answer is Purva Lepcha. Who is the present Chief Justice of Sikkim High Court? Right answer is, the Chief Justice of Sikkim High Court is Justice Biswanath Sumadar. Who is the ex-officio chairperson of Niti Aayog? Yes, right answer. The ex-officio chairperson of Niti Aayog is Prime Minister of India. Very good. Who was Sikkim's last sovereign king? Yes, right answer. Second question for greenhouse. The National Food Security Act was passed in which year? Incorrect answer. For yellow house, what is the full form of BP?
Blood pressure.
What is the full form of BP? Okay, right answer. House. Who is the present Chief Secretary of Sikkim? Is Vijay Bhushan Pathak. So the second round, you all know that the second round is the buzzer round. For the buzzer round is, so be attentive, listen to the question. Okay, you have to raise your hand first, then only you can answer the question. Okay, so the coordinator are observing you. Okay, so first listen to the question carefully. So the first question for the buzzer round is, in which year Sikkim Cricket Association was established? Hand, and no houses has raised their hand. So the right answer of this question is 1987. Is which is the largest organ in the human body? So the next question for this round is who was the first political officer of Sikkim? Okay, right? Who directed the first documentary film on Sikkim? The answer is Satyajit Ray. For this round is what was the name of the organization that Niti Aayog replaced? Blue House. Okay, so the right answer. When was the Indian Constitution adopted? November 1949. Which state of India is the largest producer of bajra? Rajasthan. Before reading the rules of the rapid fire round, as I've already announced that the two rounds have 4 sets of questions. So again, this round have 4 sets of questions. So again, I would like to call one participant from each house to come here and pick the cheat. Will be 5 marks will be awarded for each correct answer. So I think you all have listened carefully the rules. So I would like all the participants to discuss and choose your member for this round. Okay. For this round are name the first women member of Lok Sabha from Sikkim. If you don't know, you can pass. Which Indian Prime Minister launched Niti Aayog? Right answer. Which is what is the full form of IPL? Okay, right answer. Name the only zoological park of Sikkim. In which year Sikkim became a state of India? Okay, right answer, but you have to write, say 16 May 1975. Okay? So right, 75. Who founded the Indian National Congress? Where is Gandhi Ashram located? Gujarat. Okay, right answer. When did Indian Constitution came into force? Name the largest gland of the human body. Wrong answer. Who is the current captain of the Indian national men's cricket team? When was Niti Aayog formed in India? And loudly. Right answer. Name the largest bird of the world. Right answer. What is the original name of Denny Denjunpa? Slash and bone agriculture is known as beaver in which state of India? So the questions for this round. So the first question. Name the first woman Prime Minister of India. Right answer. Who is the author of the book Hind Swaraj? What was the old name of Niti Aayog? What is the main food crop of the eastern and southern part of our country? Which vitamin is essential for bone health? Which vitamin? Okay, right answer. Which team won the Sikkim Premier League in 2024? Which is the most sensitive organ of human body? Right answer. Who is the present governor of Sikkim? Answer. What is the height of Amity Kanchenjunga? Right answer. Which film is based on the death of the earlier Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri? Last round are who was the first governor of Sikkim? In which year the non-cooperation movement launched in India? How many fundamental rights are guaranteed by the Indian Constitution? Right answer. Name the largest bone of human body. Okay, right answer. IPL is associated with which sport? Right answer. Name the largest water animal of the world. Okay, well, only. What is the full form of Niti Aayog? Dada Saheb Phalke Award is given for contribution in which field? Right answer. The northern plains of India are formed of which soil? The right answer. Where did the brutal Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place? I would like to congratulate all the participants because they have really done good. They have participated very well. So all the team, best of luck for the result. Okay. So now I would like to hand over the mic to this mic.
I hope you had a good time, right? Now I guess most of you might be willing to know more about the general knowledge and all beside your own studies and all. Of course, you need to look into these things as well, right? Because most of the time people judge you based on your this GK questions, and most of the time, of course, your study related things wouldn't be asked randomly. Some stranger comes to you and of course they ask you the GK only, and once you don't give the answers, people judge you and all. But we were not going to judge you. Of course, you tried it really hard, you're really nice, and it was a great time, of course. Okay, so now I think the results will be given by our judges, so they will be taking time for the calculation and all. First of all, and
I pray may the gloves me because I'm also representing the house today. Anyways, anyone can do it, right? Quiz competition is such a platform that is where brilliance collides with the knowledge. And today we witnessed a well-organized quiz competition which not only imparted the knowledge.
Program is over. With this message that of course you will go on further, having this curiosity to know more better. Okay? So thank you all.
Thank you. स्वामीले चाहिँ त्यो मागमा खाने रोजाल्नु चाहिँ कति भनेको थिएँ
Please make sure that you